Hey YouTube, this is Southern Purple One. I want to bring you a very practical, and really it's not a survival tip, it's a tip if you're a homeowner or if you have hoses. I have a lot of hoses because I want to make sure I have a fire plan. Remember years ago we had a nice big fire here and it endangered my property, burned 10,000, I don't know, thousands of acres. So I am extra prepared for fire. So let me show you a few things that can save you a ton of money. And if we go into a Great Depression where things aren't available, or if the supply logistical lines are cut, easy things to fix. I've seen so many people get a hole in their hose, and what do? They throw it away. There's a lot of ways you can repair it. You can go to Walmart and buy the repair kits. Let me show you those. Amazon's a little bit cheaper on them. These are the male connectors. They make plastic ones. Don't buy the plastic ones. I have the metal ones. Totally superior. They last longer. So you can buy the male and female for both ends of the hoses. You can, if you get a hole in it, you can cut it and put one of these in. These aren't really necessary, and I'll show you what you can do. This one right here is a repair. Basically, this is pipe, 1/2 inch PEX, and basically what you're going to do is cut it a few inches for each side, cut it nice and clean, slide it in and slide it in. I have used this in 5/8 hose and I think 1/2 inch, so it will work on both. The ends are pretty much made for the different size holes, but I think you can in a pinch use them for the 1/2 and 5/8. Alright, so you're going to cut you a piece, slide it in both ways, and then take some hose clamps. I'm a fanatic about hose clamps. You use them all the time around the homestead to fix something really quick. So really, a lot of these I've salvaged, got them for free. If I see a piece of equipment that's being thrown away, before I throw it away, I look for hose clamps, I look for screws and nuts and bolts, and I take them off and I store them. I'm very organized with that type of storage, so it's not hoarding, it's stockpiling. Remember that. So if your wife asks you if it's neat, it's stockpiling. If it's messy, it's hoarding. So you can repair this, and I actually repaired this for zero cost to me. This came off a job, leftovers, and these I salvaged. So you don't have to buy the brass ones. If you can get some PEX, if you know a plumber, they throw this stuff away all the time, small pieces, ask them for it. So that's how you repair that. You can also repair the ends of the hose. This is leaking because this needs to be replaced with one of these. It's from dragging it on the gravel, dragging it in the woods. You've got to treat these things with respect or you can damage these. But there's nothing I can do until I cut this off, but I can do that in easy repair. So let me show you other things you can do. So say you want to customize, you might want to have 2 hoses at the very end. You can take the same PEX, and this actually was cut off a repair job, and I saved it, I did strip it down. So now I could actually take a hose, slide it over, clamp it, and have 2 ends if you need that. So you can do weird things, or you might want to go a distance underground with this, with the PEX. You can do that, and then you can come on the other side and add some more regular hose. So there's so much you can do with the PEX and repairing. It'll save you a ton of money. Thanks for watching.